The Poly TC10 touch panel allows you to seamlessly control video calls directly from the touch display. It can be paired with any Poly Studio X family device or the Poly G7500 codec. To pair it, connect your Poly TC10 to a Power over Ethernet port on the same subnet as your compatible Poly video system. The single cable will provide the Poly TC10 with both power and connectivity for a clutter-free setup. Once powered on, the TC10 displays waiting for pairing. Using any web browser, enter the IP address of your Poly video system. Log into the web interface. Navigate to General Settings Device Management. Under Available Devices, select Poly TC10. If there are multiple Poly TC10 touch panels available, ensure that the MAC address matches with the desired unit. Click Pair. Within a few seconds, your Poly TC10 will be paired with your Poly video system and be ready for use.